Before I started using the VitalSleep anti-snoring appliance, I snored loudly, according to my husband, children, and grandchildren, and I often woke up several times during the night, oftentimes being awakened from my own snoring. I started using the anti-snoring appliance about 3 weeks ago. The very first night, my husband noticed that I had stopped snoring. Over the next few days and weeks, I noticed that I was sleeping much more soundly, not waking during the night, and waking up much more rested. I can only say good things about this anti-snoring device. It has changed my sleeping habits and the way I feel. Thank you so much, VitalSleep.